Guys, just a quick little video on how you can change the brightness on a Vedia T series display. So you just want to go to the Play Store and look up this app called Night Screen. I've already searched it up here, but you just type it in the top bar, and then once you see it, just download it and then you can open it. And if you try to change the brightness, it should have a pop-up saying required permissions, and you just want to hit continue. It'll take you over to settings and just allow display over other apps. And if for whatever reason that doesn't come up, that little prompt, and you need to find it yourself, just go to settings, Android settings, and then go to apps and notifications, hit night screen, go to advanced, and display over other apps. It should just show up there and you can turn it on. So then if I go home, as you can see, the brightness has already changed, but if I go to night screen, which is just here, back out of that, I should just have this little sliding bar, which will just change the brightness. And as you can see, it's dim here. If I go to another app, such as YouTube, it should maintain that level of brightness. So it should just work over any app that you want. And yep, that's about it.